Hello, guys. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, good whatever time, wherever you are. My name is Victor Anyang. They call me the social media oracle, or oracle for short. How you all doing? There's no music in the background that I'm enjoying. Can you hear? Oh, don't do adverts. I like playing music when I'm talking. Sorry guys, sorry. So today we're talking about 4 major hacks, right? 4 major things that you can do to improve the results you've been getting on Facebook. To improve the results you'll be getting with your ads, to improve the results you'll be getting with your posting, with your promoted posts, with your marketing, all right? 4 major things that you can do, right? So if you've been using Facebook ads in the past, you will know that they do some very wonderful things. If your business was terrible before, as in you were making posts, nobody was seeing them, then you just decided to post it a little and you see plenty of people seeing the post, you're not feeling cool that what you're doing is wonderful, right? Facebook ads, cause all those beautiful things, and it's good, right? But sometimes you've been, boosting and doing all the spiritual things. After a while, not get to a level, you don't get much results again. Then you start wondering what's going on. You think it's the audience, right? You start working on the audience, twisting your audience, adding more things, putting things you didn't even be putting, picking people from different ages or different groups you didn't even be putting at all, because you think that that's the problem, right? Continue twisting, and you might not get, any meaningful result. Okay. So what do? You now look for specialists like us. Alright? So as I said, my name is Victor Anyang. They call me the social media oracle. I am a business and healthcare social media strategist, Facebook expert, Facebook ads expert, Instagram ads expert. What other expertise do I have again? As long as it's social media, I'm good with it. Right? So I'm the guy you should meet when you have social media problems. Okay. All right. So today, 4 things. Now, the very first thing I'm going to talk about, it's something that most of us will not know, because most of the time what we do is we boost our posts, right? So when you boost posts, you miss out on some very major things, some powerful things that Facebook already put there waiting for you. It's like the guy that goes to a gold mine. All right, he doesn't know that it's a gold mine, so he just goes there and he just plays with the rocks and all of that, and he walks away. But there's a gold mine. There's something really heavy, something really strong there, that if he knew that this thing was there, his business would blow up. You understand? So that's what those are the things I'm actually going to talk about. There are 4 of them, all right, and they are very, very key. Now, there is an ebook I put together that talks about all these things, right? All these things, where to find them, how to use them, examples where they were used. All right. So if you're interested, I might give you the ebook, but you will have to watch to the end of the video to know how you get the ebook. Right? Yes, you have to watch to the end of the video to know how you get the ebook. And the ebook is 5,000 naira, but because you are watching this, you're going to get it at how much now? Let's say 3,000 naira. Is that fair? That's fair. That's okay. Right? You're going to get it at 3,000 naira. So 3,000 naira, not bad. So if you watch till the end, I'll tell you how to get it. Okay? So these 4 things are going to give you massive sales. They're going to blow up your Facebook page. They're going to blow up your Instagram page. They're going to blow up your selling. They're going to blow up your ads. They're going to bring you so much revenue. You'll be like, wow, why didn't I know about this? Right? Are you ready? Let's hit it. So the first thing is something that they call custom audiences. I don't know many of you have heard of it before, but custom audiences are how do I explain custom audiences now? Okay. You have emails. You have emails, right? You use emails to open Facebook accounts. Okay. You also use phone numbers to open Facebook accounts, right? Okay. Now, emails, phone numbers can be uploaded to Facebook, right? Emails and phone numbers can be uploaded to Facebook, and Facebook can find the owners of those emails. So rather than you just do your regular email marketing, or you do your SMS marketing, or you do your WhatsApp marketing, you can actually take those numbers and emails and upload it on Facebook, and Facebook will find those people for you, and you can run your adverts to them. Okay, so many times when you see what's it called now, how to explain this, when you collect an email, right, when you see a client, or when you meet a client and you've done business with this person trusts you and feels, okay, this is cool, I'd like to work with this guy again. Do you understand? Person likes you, you did well. Now you would have collected maybe the email address or the phone number, or even if the person hasn't met you before, maybe it's the first time, okay, but the person is interested in your service, and you met the person and asked, please, can I have your phone number, can I have your email address? And the person says, okay, fine, yes, you can have it. That phone number and email address, all right, can be used to create custom audience on Facebook, and that custom audience, you can use that to get the person. So Facebook will run adverts, and it will appear to those people, and they won't even know that it's you. Right? They might see your advert, but it won't be as invasive as an email. It won't be as if you're sending me unsolicited mails and stuff like that. No, it just appears normal. Just the same way they will see a normal advert, the same way they will see a normal post. It will just appear on their timeline normal. And they'll be like, wow. And they begin to think, wow, this guy is everywhere. Alright? So even if they have forgotten about you before, they see you again and they remember. Do you understand? So it's an awesome thing to do. Okay, now apart from that, you can also generate custom audiences from Facebook. Ask me how. Very good. You've asked me how, and I'll tell you. This is how you do it. Now, anybody that has gotten in touch with you on Facebook or on Instagram, the person has watched your video, the person has liked, the person has commented, the person has shared. Now, there's something that also happens on Instagram. You know, they can save your video, and you don't know who saves your video, because they don't write, oh, this person saved your video. They just wrote saved, right? So you don't know who saved it. Now, those people that saved your video, they can also get your adverts. Yes, on Facebook, right? On Facebook, you can also say, those that have watched my video on Instagram, those that have watched my video on Facebook, those that have saved it, those that have watched video 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds, you can choose all of this, and you can create all this. We put them together, and you will have a big, large custom audience. And you reach out these people. So you can have custom audience from email, from phone numbers, from from those that have visited your Facebook page, those that have visited your site. If you installed a pixel on your site, it can also collect those people. Those that have visited your site in a particular period, in the last 180 days, in the last 360 days, right? And you can run ads to all these people, right? Can you see? Now you can't do that when you boost post. This is the reason why I say, please don't boost post, because it's the same amount you will use. The same $1 you will pay per day to boost that post. It's the same $1 you will pay per day to use all these beautiful things. So why are you not using it? And listen, it's easier to sell to people who already know you. Now, the email address and phone numbers that you have, they already know you. They already know who you are. It's a lot easier to sell to them. But most people sell to fresh people. Yes, fresh people. They always sell to fresh people. What do I mean by fresh people? Every day you are clicking location. Every day you are clicking behavior. Every day you are clicking interest. All those things will bring you fresh people that haven't heard of you. All right? And you're already telling them, click and buy. Serious buyers only. No. Those people that you are clicking are meeting you for the first time. What you should actually be doing for them is like an awareness advert. Let them even know who you are and what you do and what your products do before you get to the point of asking them to buy. Right? But for these ones that have bought from you, that have engaged with you, that have sent you their emails, that have watched your video, that have saved your posts, they already know you and like what you do. That's why they are watching your videos. Right? That's why they're on your website. That's why they are saving your videos and saving